The stock market is now moving into my forecast time window for a correction to begin, of approximately a 10% decline on the Dow, as illustrated by my trend forecast graph. Current price action as the Dow breaking to new all-time highs of above 34,548, running the short stops built up during the past couple of weeks, consolidation near the last highs. So, where the Dow is concerned right now, the start of the correction remains pending and imminent. However, the correction in tech stocks that we want to see correct has already begun, so it's possible we may see continuing divergence to some degree between the general stock market indices and the tech sector, such as the Nasdaq, with likely pseudo-analysts that populate the mainstream media will refer to it as sector rotation, when instead it is a case of many tech stocks such as Tesla being bid up to trade on ridiculous valuations, whilst the post-COVID Fed-induced economic boom is lifting the downtrodden stock sectors of 2020, hence the divergence. So let's see if the ongoing sell-off in tech stocks can result in buying opportunities in AI stocks. Google, or Alphabet, numero uno, has had a spectacular bull run to stand 34% up on the year to date. In terms of valuations, then, Google's stock price is running a little ahead of itself on an EC of 49 against 44 in February. I consider a sweet buying spot for Google when EC is below 40, which would imply a fair price for Google around $2,000. So Google is overpriced at $2,400 in terms of current earnings. In terms of a buy percentage, Google is neutral on around 50%. The stock is overbought and is likely to correct into a range of $2,000 to $2,100, i.e. fair value and support area. Therefore, the buying level for Google is $2,100, or about a 13% discount on its current price. So again, I am not going to sell Google stock to try and buy back at $2,100, because there is risk that a correction does not materialize to the extent which I expect for Google, and even if it does, it will prove temporary. So why risk getting one's knickers in a twist for a marginal few percent against the risk of missing out on several hundreds of percent in the long run by riding the Google gravy train into the future, the AI future? And this video is an excerpt from my latest in-depth analysis that concludes in buying levels for AI tech stocks, buying levels and ratings, valuations and trend analysis into the market correction that was first made available to patrons who support my work. Extensive work including a look at Tesla, the Cathy ARK funds crash that I've been warning against investing in due to the high risk nature of a portfolio, and then there's a whole litany of stock analysis, individual stocks covered in my portfolio, from Google at the top right down to Intel and number 12, with the buying levels for all of the stocks updated of where you can achieve discounts on the current price, probable discounts, or where stocks could trade down to during the correction, as well as updating on the current state of the GPU mining free money courtesy of the Ethereum mania. And a quick look at Chia if you want to crypto mine on your hard drives. This is crypto mania is getting insane. Anyway, all of this was first made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. And my analysis of scheduled analysis includes more high risk tech stocks that should be coming in about a week's time. I basically condensing down roughly 300 stocks I've been looking at over the past couple of months into a dozen that I would personally invest in for the long run. And a Bitcoin trend forecast update, a look at UK house prices, and a piece that I've been working on for quite a while on how to get rich that is approximately 70% complete. Then further schedule is on the US dollar and British pound and gold and silver, which I've still to begin. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, and do remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel as we defend ourselves, protect ourselves from the rampant money printing inflation by the central banks. Insane money printing as though it's not going to feed through into wage and price inflation. Big inflation is coming, as I've been flagging for over 6 months, more like a year now. That's why I was saying last year, if you're thinking of buying big ticket items, do it now before the price hikes, which have transpired. You know, I bought a Culture K7 for £340. Current price on Amazon is, was it $565, and similar for lots of other tech items I bought. For instance, the components in my PC that I ordered in January and got delivered in March was £3,100. Current price of the components is over £4,000. Crazy, the inflation is here, and it is accelerating regardless of what the indices say. So protect yourselves by investing in assets that are leveraged to inflation, and AI tech stocks are leveraged to inflation and are about to get discounted. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such analysis, and do consider becoming a patron. Cryptomania, forget Dogecoin. Today I'm going to be mining Budgie coin. What you need is a budgie. Just need one budgie to start crypto mining with Budgie coin. Ooh, that's an angry bird. Eh? You're angry today, Mr. Green. So this is how you mine Budgie coin. Get rich, get Dogecoin. Right, we need to grab that bougie. Yeah, it's a bougie coin, not Budgie coin. Bougie. Come here, bougie. I need you. Hey, what are you trying to bite me for? We need a bougie. Take my bougie coin. There you go. Got a couple of bougies. Which one's more profitable? Green bougie or the blue bougie? Not sure at the moment. I have to check the exchange rate. Definitely the green bougie is more noisy, more aggressive. It's more aggressive to mine with the green bougie. Okay, so let's start mining with the blue bougie, the bougie coin, the blue bougie coin. Once you get one bougie, the others will come.